Okay, so we've finished our 2x2 rib on our Begin-A-Beanie. So the next row is an increase row. So to do that, so we're going to increase our stitches throughout the round. Every 4 stitches we'll do an increase. When we do this using a make one left, so I will show you how we do that. So we knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to make one left I'm going to pick up that bar between the stitches there and lift it onto my left needle, bring my left needle around to the front and hook it up, and then knit into the back of that stitch instead of the front like we usually do, and that is a make one left. So we have increased 1 stitch. So we'll do that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pick up that bar again. I use the right needle, you can use the left needle, but I just find it more easier to use the right. So we lift that bar up that is between the 2 stitches, and then bring our left needle around to the front and under it, and then knit into the back of that stitch, and we have increased a 2nd stitch. And then I'll show you that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pick up that bar between the stitches again, there it is there, and then take our left needle into the front, pop that on the left needle and knit into the back of it. And so we carry on throughout the round, and we will be increasing 11 times, so we'll have 11 more stitches on our beanie. And that means that our rib is a bit firmer around the base of our beanie, and then we have more room for the body of the beanie. So when I finish that, I will come back and show you what we do next.